Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm, the calm before the storm, meaning that blessings are coming your way. Are you ready to hit the stage, the spotlight? The curtain's about to come up, and it's time for you to perform, to be the superstar that you are. So it's time to show up and show out. But right now, go with the flow means go with the flow. The calm means go as the lazy river. Go with the current. Don't fight. Don't fight your greatness because you deserve it. I know you're not scared. You may be a little bit nervous to elevate to something that you've been praying for and know that you're worth. Blessings can be a little nerve-wracking, but you deserve it, and it's going to feel amazing. I do not want you to miss the ship, and honestly, there's nothing that you can do other than stopping right now that you can miss your ship. And you never stop, Scorpio, because once you stop, you feel as though you're not living, and one thing you love to do is feel like you're alive. So do the things that you feel, though, that your gifts are. Come to the stage and perform and show the rest of the world and watch how we give our appreciation. But the calm before the storm, the blessings coming in, just go with the flow as we transition into a new season. I breathe and live and grow with the light within me, and I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. I cast off doubts, all fear dissipates, and I find peace within my being. Don't doubt yourself. Don't fear fears you. Once you look in the eye, it shall run away as a coward, and then nothing's left but opportunity and space for showtime. So love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and I love you too.